Hi everybody, I am Naufal. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss regarding the types of organizational structure. We will see regarding the types or forms of organizational structure. So what is mean by organizational structure? Organizational structure is nothing. It is the way in which the organization divide its work into tasks and then coordinating them. Organizational structure means it is the way in which an organization divide its work into tasks and then coordinating them. That means the way in which an organization or an hospital or any institution divide its works, different works will be there, and making it into task and finally coordinating them. Dividing the work into task and coordinating that work, that is organizational structure. Now we can see regarding the different types or forms of organizational structure. First one is line organization structure. Line organization structure. So line organization structure is the oldest and the simplest form of the organization structure. It is also known as scalar or vertical organization. It is also known as scalar or vertical organization. So here the authority flows from top to bottom. From the name itself, the authority flows from top to bottom, that is top level management, then middle level management, then lower level management. So the authority flows from top to bottom. In the line organization, the authority flows from top to bottom. Okay, that is top level management, middle level management, lower level. In the scalar or the vertical manner, in a vertical manner, the authority of the organization is flowing. So here the most of the directions are transmitted or passed from the top level management to the managers, then to the supervisors, then to the staff and workers. Most of the directions are transmitted from top level management, then to the managers, then to the supervisors, then to the workers and staff. So here most of the decisions are taken by the top level management. In the line organization, most of the decisions in that organization or in the hospital or in any institution, the decisions are taken by top level management. And the message is passed from the top level management to the managers, then to the supervisors, then to the workers. So it is a oldest as well as the simplest organization structure, and the authority or the power flows from top to bottom in a vertical manner. That is line organization. Next one is line and staff organization. Next type of organizational structure is line and staff organization. So in the name itself, here line is there. So the organizational, the flow will be from top to bottom. The line is there, and staff. So line and staff organization. So line and staff organization is the second type of the organization structure. Here there will be staff specialist. Staff specialist will be there who give expert advice to the line managers. In this type of organizational structure, there will be staff specialist. They will give expert advice to the line managers. But to the staff specialist, they have the right to advise only. They have the right to give recommendation only. They have the right to advise, or they have the right to recommend only. To accept that advice or to reject that advice, it depends to the line managers. They have the power to implement that advice. They have the power to accept, or they have the power to reject the advice from the staff managers or the staff specialist. Okay, I will give you one example. Suppose This is a line organization, managing director, then manager, then supervisor, then workers. Okay, then workers. So this is line organization. The authority flows from top to the bottom, managing director, manager, supervisor and the workers. So here in the line and staff organization, there will be staff specialist. So here there will be staff officer expert. So here there will be staff officer expert. A staff will be there, staff officer expert. He will give expert advice to the line managers. This staff officer expert will give advice to the line managers. If you do like this, our productivity will increase or our profit will increase or we can achieve our goal easily. This staff officer expert will give advice to the line managers. But to accept that advice or to reject that advice, the power is for line managers. The staff officer expert have only the right to give advice. To implement that advice, to implement that recommendation, the power is for line managers. Like that, here also will be there. For example, quality control officer. Here also we can give maintenance officer. Okay, so maintenance officer will give advice and the quality control officer will give advice. It depends on the line managers. Okay, so that is regarding the line and staff organization. It is same like the line organization only. In a vertical manner, the authority flows from top to bottom, but there will be staff, that is staff specialist will be there to give advice to the line managers. So the recommendation or the advice will be given by the staff experts or the staff specialists, but the power or the authority is for the line managers. They will take the decision to accept or to reject the advice from the staff specialist. That is line and staff organization. Next type of the organizational structure is functional organization. Next type is functional organization. Functional organization. So in the functional organization, the total or the whole task of the organization is divided into different functional areas or different functional departments. Okay, in functional organization, the whole task or the total task of the organization or the hospital or the institution is divided into different functional areas or functional departments. For example, in a hospital, nursing department or laboratory department, pharmacy department. So all the task of the hospital is to give quality of care to the patient. All that task is divided into different functional areas or different functional department will be there. So that department, okay, the organization, the activities of the organization is assigned or given to the departments. The activities of the organization is given to different department. The department head will take care of the activities. The department head, for example, in the nursing department, the head of the department in the nursing will take care of the activities in the nursing. And they have the authority over their subordinates. They have the authority over their workers who is working under them, that is other nurses. They have the responsibility and authority over their workers. That is functional organization. In functional organization, the total or the whole task of the organization is divided into different functional areas or different functional departments. And the department head will take care of the activities and they have the power or the authority over their workers. For example, nursing department is a functional area or functional department, or laboratory department or pharmacy department in the hospital. That is regarding functional organization. Next one is project organization. Project organization. From the name itself, it is a project. So, in project organization, there will be a semi-project division. In the project organization, there will be a semi-project division. The project team consists of specialists from different areas. The project team consists of specialists from different areas, and after completing a project, the project team will take a new project. The project division will take a new project. I will give you the example so you will get a better idea. Regarding the project organization, just take example as hospital. So, the project team means the staff or the workers of the hospital. The aim of the hospital is to give care to the patient, to give treatment to the patient. So, in the hospital, there will be a semi-project division. For example, operation theatre. That is a semi-project division. So, in the semi-project division, there will be specialists from different areas. For example, doctors, surgeon, anesthetics, operation theatre nurse, operation theatre technician, everybody will be there. They are specialists from different area. After completing a project, the project division will take a new project. After completing the surgery, they will take a new surgery case. That is project organization. So, in the project organization, under the project organization, there will be a semi-project organization. The project team consists of specialists from different area. After completing the project team will, for the project division will take a new project. That is regarding project organization. Next one is matrix organization. Matrix organization. It is also known as grid. Matrix organization is also known as grid. Matrix organization is the combination of project and functional organization. Matrix organization is the combination of functional and project organization. So, here in the matrix organization, it is a combination of functional as well as the project organization. So, there will be a project manager. The project manager will be there. The project manager select different persons from the functional departments. The project manager will take the persons from different functional departments. After completing the project, the person who has taken from the different departments, they will go back to their functional area where they are belong to. For example, army during a war, they will use this technique. A project manager will be there. The project manager will take the persons from different functional areas. For example, from the Air Force, for example, from the Navy, they will take different person from different functional area. After completing the war, they will return back to their functional area where they are working. So here it is a combination of the functional and project organization. The project manager will be there in the matrix organization, and the project manager will select different person from the functional department. For example, in the hospital, suppose we are planning to conduct a medical camp. So project manager will select different persons from the functional department, that is doctors, nurses, or the lab technician, pharmacist. After completing the medical camp, they will return back, that is the nurses will go back to the nursing department, the pharmacist will go back to the pharmacy department, the lab technician will go back to the laboratory department. That is regarding matrix organization. These are the different types of organization structure or different forms of organization structure, that is line organization structure, line and staff organization, functional organization, project organization, and matrix organization. That's all regarding organization structure. We will meet soon with another video. Till that time, thank you and goodbye.